On today's episode of What Is This Thing? What do you have, Dad?
Well, I have these guys here, which are kind of fun.
Can I see one?
Yeah, I can see.
That looks like a keycap. Yeah, it would fit perfectly, but I notice it doesn't have normal keycap stuff.
No, if you look at it, you've got 4 pins on the back and these 2 areas here. And what you're doing is you're reading a stereo tape head. So the tape would roll across whatever mechanism you had. The tape rolls across, and it reads the magnetic information off the tape into the electronics and out the electronics cable, amplified, and you're listening to your recorded whatever you
It's like cassette tapes?
Cassette tapes, cart machines we used to use in radio, 8-track tape decks we used to use, reel-to-reels, which a lot of people have reel-to-reels. And I also found these things. So to align these up, now keep in mind that tape is coming across like that. And if I'm twisty this way, twisty that way, that's a problem, right? So you need tools to help align it. So in the broadcast industry, we had this guy helps you keep it square. See that? So it's squared up, so you literally can line the squareness of it to get it right up. And then, so that's a calibrated tool we keep nice and protected. And then the other one is a tape height gauge. So we use this because on a standard cartridge, the tape head should line up after you've got it squared, and it should line up right there for the top track. So you got that, because again, this could be this way, that way, that way, or this way, that way, or just up or down high. So you got to get it the right height, flat, twist right, all that kind of stuff to get your best performance. So
What is this?
well, this actually, I thought I'd show that. That is a simulated view of the generator panel during Y2K if we had a power fail. So I had that for our employees to see what they would be looking at if they walked into the
This is like a meme before we had memes.
Yeah, it was a meme before we had memes because we all had Y2K protection. And then the other thing about the tape head is it can pick up residual magnetism. So there's a little tool like this that has this big assembly. Get that on there. And then now it picks up magnetism, north or south, positive or negative. So you can see here I'm going there, it's picking it up. I flip the magnet around. It goes from north to south, positive, negative. And if this tape head had some magnetism on it, it would read. Now here you'd have to be in a field, like if I go, like right here, I've got a 0. So I go up, so this is a demagnetized head. So it's good, that's what we want. We want the tape itself, the head, to produce any magnetic field as the tape passed through.